Hi beauty queens, welcome back to a channel that helps you glow and grow from the inside out. And on today's episode, I will be unboxing my new makeup brushes by the Lip Bar. So this is what the package looks like that I received when I got it in. And it says, actually I had it backwards. It says your makeup just got easier. And then it has their logo right here. So let's open up the box. So the packaging is okay, but overall I am in love with the brushes, which is why I decided on this one. I actually did some research on which makeup brushes I was interested in. And I'm all about efficiency, so I like the 2-in-1 brushes. I like the ones that have a brush on each side because you know what? Those brushes take up space, and so for me, like, less is more. And so these brushes I bought online through the Lip Bar store, and the cost is $39, which is pretty reasonable compared to your other vegan brushes that you see online. So let's open it up and see what they look like. Okay, so the first thing that I like about these brushes is they actually show you what each side of the brush does. So for example, on this side it says this is for powder, and then this side is for the cheek. And just touching the hairs are really light and very soft, so I like that. That's awesome. So again, this brush is for your face, specifically for your cheeks, and also for powder as well. By the way, there's a total of 4 brushes that come in this box, 2 on each side. So going on to the next one, this one is for the brow. So this side obviously is for shaping, so you can comb your little hairs up. And then the other side is to fill it in. So I typically use powder to do my brows, but whatever you use to do your brows, that's what this side is for. So yeah. Now the third brush is for the eyes. So you have one side that's used to blend, which is this right here. And then you have the other side that's used as an applicator. And then the fourth and final brush is for the face as well. And so this side is used for the foundation. And then this side right here is also used for the concealer. So I'm gonna put these back in the box and kind of give you my overall take on the brushes. Again, I think I'm really going to love these brushes. And number one, they're efficient. They have 2 on each side, which means it's not going to take up a lot of space in my makeup box. Number 2, they are vegan and cruelty-free brushes. And then the next reason why I like these brushes, and overall the Lip Bar too, is that it's a very inclusive brand for women of color, by women of color. And then best of all, these brushes too are very affordable. $39, you can't beat that. And maybe, you know, I was wishing that maybe it would have came with a makeup brush like bag, something cute to go with it. But then again, because of the price, you know, it comes in a box. So hey, I can't complain. And then another thing that came in the package is this, just kind of showing the additional items that you could purchase through the Lip Bar. One of my favorite items that I love to use through the Lip Bar is this right here. It's the Minute Finish Face Palette, and it's kind of like a 4-in-1. Like sometimes when I'm on the go, I really just use this. Like I use this as the powder, as you can see. I use a lot of it. I use this for my brows, I use this for my highlighting, and I use this for my blush. So you literally could take this and some lip gloss on the go and you're good. But overall, I love the Lip Bar. I will continue supporting them. If you use their brushes, let me know what you think. I think I'm gonna love them. I'll do a second video trying out the brushes with the makeup that I do have. So stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe. And of course, share it with someone you feel that needs it. Keep going. Peace. Bye.